Yo, what's up everyone, it's Flikzify. In today's video I'll be recording a Q&A. It's raining outside, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I thought it would be a good time to record a video because I am just done with some client work. Recently I tweeted out that I'll be recording a Q&A video, so that's exactly what this is right now. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first question is by Keiko Arts. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, but the question is, what made you want to start being a graphic designer and what motivates you to keep designing? I wanted to start because my friend Champy brought me into designing. He used to transform logos. I sold it for like $1 or something. Later on he quit designing and then joined back in the designing community a little bit after. Became an illustrator like he is right now. And I just continued what I've been doing with a few really small breaks. What motivates me to keep designing is just to create something that I enjoy viewing myself and seeing improvement in myself every single day. I try to learn new things. Personally, I am trying to get into branding design right now. It's going really well. In the background, I have been trying to sketch up logos, get things done, watch tutorials on YouTube, have courses and all of that stuff. My ultimate goal is to maybe make graphic design into a full-time career. I'm really far away from that and I hope I would be able to do so one day or another. So the second question is by Energistics, how to get good at designing. It's not something you can just get good at. You really have to seek improvement from tutorials, you have to experiment, you have to try new things every single day. If you don't know what a single button is for in Photoshop, try it out, see what it does. If you don't know how to blend, try to blend. Look up tutorials, look up courses, ask a designer for ops. There are so many ways to get better at designing. You just have to be willing to take the time and invest a lot of effort into doing so. So the third question is by Christian. He asked, in your opinion, what's the best way to get out there in the community for any designer? Connecting with other designers is a very big role. How to grow? You can join group chats, talk to each other, ask for opinions, support other designers. Do like what I'm doing right now. Go to YouTube, upload videos, upload speed arts, do all of that stuff. Build your own name. Try to build your own name up from the ground, and that will definitely help you into growing. One of the best ways, I would say, if you actually just started off, is finding the community you fit in most. So for example, if you do anime design, go to other anime designers and support them. Ask for opinions, and eventually you will literally roll in that community. You'll be added to group chats and you will build your own name within that community. And if you want to expand even further, a lot more than just anime in that case. Branch out to branding, branch out to shape headers, branch out to 3D, branch out to motion, branch out to maybe even editing. That's definitely a big challenge if you want to learn all of that. But if you want to grow, I mean, it's probably the best way to be original and to have a lot of variety in your work. So the fourth question is by Fexel. Where did you get the name Flikzify? That's actually a fun question. I used to play Call of Duty and I used to Fortnite, and back then I used to actually trick shot, do all of that stuff. So back then my name was actually Flick, and yeah, I got it from there. So I used to be named Flick, and then when I started doing graphic design, I behind it, because back then I thought I stood for something related to art or graphic design. I just put that behind my name, and I guess, yeah, that's how I got Flikzify. So the next question is by Mokes Branding. Wait, you got a YouTube channel? I mean, I guess that's what you're watching right now. Yeah, okay, on to the next question. The next question is by Stimo. Why are you designing? I guess because I enjoy doing it. Yeah, enjoy designing, I guess. I want to make it into a career, that's why I'm designing. So next header is by Stimula. Why wouldn't you make me a header? I mean, if you DM me on Twitter, I'll send you my PayPal link, send me 15 euros and I'll get started on your header as soon as possible, my friend. Next question is by Drive Immortal. First video game ever. I definitely remember Minecraft. I played that for 9 years, non-fucking stop. Yeah, Minecraft has some really good memories for me. It was definitely a fun time for me playing Minecraft, and I will definitely never forget those times. They were pretty good. So next question is by Kricky. How did you started growing? How did you get in this position? I honestly don't even know. It's something that just happened. You don't really force growth. I mean, you just do your thing, I guess. You post your designs, and the main priority is probably if you improve on your work and people see that, then you'll eventually get noticed. Try to connect with others, try to support people, talk to people in group chats, do all of that stuff, and then you will get in that position as well. Trust me. So next question is by Fusion. How long did it take you to get good at designing? Right now, as of this moment of recording, it's the 15th of November. I have only been designing for 11.5 months. On the 14th of December, it will be my first year of designing anniversary. I will definitely be doing something then. Maybe a stream, maybe a 24-hour stream, maybe designing for 24 hours straight. Oh fuck, that's gonna be a challenge. But well, yeah, I've been designing for almost a year. A lot of people will probably say now, what the fuck, 1 year? I've been designing for 3 years and I'm not even close to where you are right now. That's because I have taken courses, tutorials, I asked for opinion every single time. I never really sit still. I always try new things and experiment, because that's the only way you will grow fast. Hard work will get you really far. If you don't want to learn, then it just won't work out. Okay, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If this video somewhat helped you out, or if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be dropping more videos like this in the future. Yeah, drop a like as well. Comment down below what you thought, and I will see you guys in the next one. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Flikzify, Instagram.com/Flikzify. Basically, all my socials are Flikzify, so look me up, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.